Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Lamborghini Huracan Evo. First, ensure your mobile device's Bluetooth is activated. Then, locate the infotainment system in your Huracan. From the main menu, you'll want to find and select the Settings option. Within Settings, look for the Bluetooth menu to begin the pairing process. This initial step is crucial for a smooth connection. Once you're in the Bluetooth menu, you'll see an option to add new device. Select this to start searching for available devices. Your Lamborghini's system will then scan for nearby Bluetooth-enabled phones. When your phone's name appears on the Huracan screen, simply tap it to begin the pairing sequence. This action sends a request to your phone, preparing for the final connection. After selecting your device, a pairing code will display on both your phone and the Huracan screen. Verify that these codes match, then confirm the connection on both devices. Once confirmed, your phone is successfully paired with your Lamborghini. You can now enjoy seamless hands-free calling, stream your favorite music, and access other audio features directly through your car's sound system. It's that simple. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your phone's Bluetooth is not only on but also set to discoverable. Sometimes, a simple restart of both your phone and the Huracan's infotainment system can resolve minor glitches. Also, remember to delete old, unused Bluetooth connections from your car's memory to prevent interference. For more great tips and other deals, including fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the links in the description below this video. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.